Hello. Adjectives, nouns, prepositions, articles, and Oxford commas. All critical components of clear, unambiguous writing. Please enjoy your new command, write. Allows workers to change the number on any data cube they're holding. Yes, you can now write anything in the entire universe you can possibly imagine, as long as it's a whole number between 0 and 99. Make all data cubes say 99. Alright. No. Okay. Can I do an if command? Oh. Nearest data cube is equal to 0. It's equal to 0. Right, 99. Else... The problem is I can't search for, like, a nearest data cube equal to the value of. I mean, the one thing I could do is effectively have them walk down their entire path. I mean... No, I don't have an option for that. This isn't gonna work. Oh. And I forgot the drop command. Okay, so effectively, they'll fix it, drop it, and move down. Main problem is... they'll hit the wall. Wait, no, she didn't. What did she do? She rewrote the memory address, but that's not gonna work. I could have them walk randomly. Because I can't do nearest... I'm gonna have a lot of long pauses as we get further into this. I can already tell. Okay, so the main problem is I can't just have tell it to move to the nearest data cube. I could maybe have it remember in sets of 4, but that wouldn't work. What I could potentially do is get them to toss the empty cube, or I could get them to go down the row they're on. No, that's not going to work. I can't get them to turn around, because that's not going to work. How about Step twice. Drop. That way, it's a little redundant. But they'll put it far away. And find somewhere new to plonk it down. And since these are almost always in a different location, the rows there on a complete path, just have them follow green paths. Yeah, I mean, honestly, this seems to have worked out. It's a little bit less efficient. But having them follow the green path, I'm not sure how to do that easily without effectively moving the green path, which is inefficient. But, like, I don't know. Because, yeah, if we go back to this, let's copy this. I really wish it would give us that every single time. Because, yeah, we could potentially have it right. We could potentially have it right, like, the nearest 2 data cubes, maybe? And then I move to the next one. The main problem is I don't know what the logic is for the nearest data cube, and I can't reliably tell them to go to the nearest data cube. Because right now, like, effectively I could have them remember the potentially 4 nearest data cubes, but I don't even know if, I don't even know if they'll select the 4 nearest data cubes, even. I guess I could do, like, an if memory is equal to 0, I have a solution, but it would practically double your time for a solution. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I think I'm fine with this, but it would be... I'd almost... Well... Here's a question. Let's just do... nearest data cube 2. Because it's only letting me do nearest. Take a look at you. Okay. Yeah, see, the problem is, she will only select the absolute nearest data cube for these. And so you can't have, like, nearest non-99 or non-0 data cube. You can't... As far as I know, I can't, like, set these separately. And so it's better to just have the indiscriminate approach that I originally went with than anything else. There's probably a better way of doing that, but I don't know. Just a moment, everyone. I'm just finishing up an important report I've been working on for over a year. Type, 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 type. Yes, and done. Excellent work, if I say so myself. Let me just save my work here, and file, save as... No. No, 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 no. Disk abort, fail. What? Stop! Retry! Gah! Who would have thought my entire career would come crumbling down due to catastrophic data loss? Huh. Haha! Don't worry, everyone. Did I fool you? Yes, I always knew I could have become an actor if this management job hadn't worked out. Data loss is something that can happen to anyone. It's nothing to be ashamed of. This is why we make backups. Let's all practice making backups over here. Each worker has a cube on both sides. The bigger number is corrupt. Overwrite this bigger number with the value of the smaller number and place them both back on the floor where they started. You got a new command, set. Works similar to nearest, but you can use it to remember things on specific tiles, numbers, and many other things. Okay, so set direction left. Set direction right. If memory 1 is greater than memory 2, pick up memory 1, write memory 2. Else, pick up memory 2, Write memory 1. What? Oh. Nope, that didn't work. Okay. Okay, so with memory 2, oh. Gotta get a drop command in there. There we go. Oh, yes. Nothing puts the mind at ease like redundant data storage. How would I do that with one less command? Do I not need to pick it up? Wait. Hold the butts. How are you supposed to do this with one less command than I already have? Because I have to drop it. Can you do a write with a carried object? You have to do a write with a carried object. That's my confusion? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how you're supposed to do that. I'd love to see, like, perfect solutions to some of these. Like, I actually wish that was an option for the game. It's like, what is the optimum solution so I can take a look at it? Can you set a command for doing write object? Write carriage object, then write mem. Maybe? I think the second memory is extra. Can you not just compare item on the right left? Yeah, but I'd have to move over to it. That's the confusing part. I don't know. Maybe? Yes, I know what you're thinking. It's true. Every piece of data is a precious miracle. Workers, you each have a line of precious miracles above you. Yes, let's take a moment to appreciate them. They're also green and uniquely numbered. Each of you must find the littlest data cube on your line. Ah, isn't that cute? But the problem with data is that small numbers take up just as much space as big numbers. The storage space ain't cheap, you know. You can see where we're going with this, so let's just take that littlest number and shred it. Okay. So nearest data cube. Set my item. Okay, so we're going to want to do, effectively, here's a question. If you're holding one of these, does it become the nearest data cube? I don't even know if we need set. Okay, so move to it. Step to nearest data cube. Or no, we can just do pick up data cube. Nearest data cube. If my item is greater than data cube, step to the right, drop, pick up mem 1. Will this work? Probably not. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So, Mem 1 is a 66. Moves closer. If my item is greater than the data cube, oh. Oh, if it's a... I got it. Okay. Else. Step up twice? Okay. I made a mistake. This ain't working. Yeah, I kind of figured this wouldn't work. Let's just destroy this entire mess. Okay, so we gotta find the lowest value here. Question. No, you can't do a give to as a drop in a direction. Well, we've been doing sorting this entire time, but we've been doing sorting with people and some other stuff. Okay. Okay, so pick up that. If... Because yeah, now I'm getting to the point where I might be too tired for this. So I might actually do Warframe earlier than I thought I was going to. Because, yeah, unfortunately, these puzzles are getting harder, and I'm getting stupider over the course of the night. Yeah, so apparently this is called bubble sorting. I've heard of bubble sorting before. I had friends in college that were stuck on bubble sorting, if I remember right. So, I guess I am with good company, question mark? Okay, so we want to go... Because we don't even have to pick these things up, now that I'm thinking about it. Okay. So we don't need to pick it up. Okay. Okay. If I'm standing on a data cube, and... Okay. If I'm standing on... no. If I'm standing on nothing, step up. If the thing I'm standing on is greater than memory 1, set it to memory 1. Near Shredder is mem 2. If up is a wall, give to pick up mem 1, give to mem 2. Done. Okay. That kind of works. It kind of doesn't. We'll just put a jump on all of this. Oh. I guess I need to step up in here. Wait, hold on. Oh, and it can't be mem 1. That's the other thing. No, that's not gonna work. Undo a couple of times. How about... we're gonna just do... early on, step to mem 1. Okay, so... you get here. If mem 1... nope, and it's not a wall. Oh. No matter what, we need that step. Okay. So... it's not. Next one. Okay, so now... it's... oh. There we go. Okay, so it's 53. But then she gets to this one and she's like, oh shit, it's higher. Okay, next one. Yeah, so I was just setting it as itself. Okay, we did this wrong. I gotta look at this. Shred the smallest data cube. Okay, so if it's less than mem 1. And that's the end. There we go, got it. Seek and destroy. Couple extra, just as fast. So, whatever, extra steps.